Panic gripped the Ganga Gatipur area adjacent to Mohanpur town on Sunday following the discovery of an unidentified man's body. The incident, falling under the jurisdiction of the Sidhai Police Station, has sparked significant tension among local residents. Upon receiving information from locals who spotted the body, a team from Sidhai Police Station rushed to the spot. The identity of the deceased remains unknown as no identification documents were found at the scene. Police have shifted the body to the local hospital morgue for an autopsy to determine the exact cause of death. An unnatural demise case has been registered and a formal investigation is underway.
আপনারা চিনেন না? না, এরা চিনি না তো। কোন সময় থেকে ঘোরাফেরা করতে? না না না, দেখছি না। এই জায়গাটার নাম কি? গঙ্গা গতিপুর। পুলিশ প্রশাসন আছে? আছে। কতক্ষণ আগে মৃতদেহটা পাওয়া গেছে? আমি তো ওখানে দেখলাম, এর আগে তো কইতাম না।
The discovery in a populated area like Ganga Gatipur has raised concerns regarding public safety. Authorities are currently scanning missing person reports from nearby police stations to identify the individual. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.